Hello and welcome to this video on how to use the Daikin Altherma 3 user interface. On this video we're just going to do some user settings quickly. So we're going to go press this left button here, go into the menu, toggle round to user settings, and in this video we're just going to change the time and date. So you can change the time there to say currently 9 AM. Onto the minutes, we're at 9:15. And the year is correct, and the month is not. And we're on the 18th of July. So that is how to set the time and date. It's important that the Daikin clock is set at the correct time and date, so that if you've got any of your domestic hot water programs or on your holiday modes or anything like that, they will be accurately carried out.